Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about something simple into something beautiful, a crochet book cover that add personality and charm to your favorite book. If you love reading and crochet, this project is perfect combination of both. Instead of keeping your book plain, why not give them a soft handmade cover that protect them and make them look aesthetic at the same time. This design is inspired by minimal and cozy vibe. I use soft yarn with a clean stitch pattern to keep it elegant. You can customize it however you like, add a button, a small pocket for bookmaker, or even use initial for a personal touch. The best part is that this project is beginner friendly. With just basic stitches you can create something that looks stylish and unique. It's also a great idea for gift, perfect for student, book lover or anyone who enjoy handmade item. Crochet book cover are not just practical, they are also a way to express your creativity. You can match them with your room decor, your bag or even your mood. I hope this idea inspires you to try something new and fun. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative crochet projects. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.